chatting tips from the great Beth.
So it's really important that you search out your victim. I mean, the person you're going to chat with. It's important that you find something common. It doesn't have to be anything in particular. For example, you could be at the vegetable section of the market and grab some vegetable and say, what do you do with this? do you have any suggestions to do with this? But another one I use often is I'll be at the vegetable stand and I'll say, I wish they'd invented a vegetable. I get so sick of artichokes and Brussels sprouts and broccoli and string beans. Something new, something still it's just the same. Or you can comment on the weather, something simple, just something common. You know you have something in common with every person in the entire world. You can talk to anyone, any human being who's sucking it in and blowing it out.